Do you remember this Digi Now record player that I bought? Well, I plugged it in and tried to get it to play. There's no sound, no sound at all. So what we're going to do in this video, we're going to take it apart, going to see what is wrong with it, and then we're going to see how good or how bad these things are when it's fixed. So yeah, it's going to be a tricky one for me, but it's something that I wanted to see whether or not I could do or not. Anyway, let's get into it. Well, it wasn't hard to get into the back of this, just a few screws and we're straight in it. And with there being no sound, I had a look at the chips and I've seen this. Yeah, that's the amplifier chip. And that doesn't look healthy. There's a blobby blob on it, as if it's blown itself up somehow. Can stay steady enough. So what to do? There you go. Is that better? There is a number on it. There we go. Let's look that number up. So I've done a bit of research, and yeah, AliExpress, they've got the amplifier chip. I could get some gauze to try and get it the solder off, and maybe buy some flux, but I'll have to wait. And yeah, and come back there. No, no. What I'll do it all in this video. We'll do it all in this video. I'll order it, and we'll get back in a couple of weeks, and let's get this done. Welcome back. It's been longer than a couple of weeks. It took a while, so we've got my what's that? Flux. Let's see what's in these. Back to the Future glasses. Oh, there they are. Look, there's the. Oh, the chips. They look the same. It does look the same. This ain't going to work, is it? Hey, I'm going to be using a soldering iron. I googled it and it says, yes, you can put a chip on using a soldering iron. There's no way this is going to work. Stay tuned, see me destroy a record player that was super cheap. This is supposed to be the, oh, there we go. Yeah, that is wick, so we can get rid of the stuff on there. Anyway, you know how it all works. You watch was it Fix It Sticks or whatever it's called. Oh, the microphone's down there. Hope you heard. Did you hear any of that? I'll check the sound and then we'll get on with it. There is no way I am going to be able to do this successfully. But you guys can watch me fail if you want. Shall I put my special glasses on? So we got the, okay, let's put the special glasses on. I don't know how I'm going to get this off. I think I might need a little, should use pincers, I guess. Oh. Okay, maybe I can get in there. I put a little bit of flux on it, so let's put some flux around there. Wick to wick off the, oh. Just do it gently. It's not going to plan. I I thought all the solder would have just come off, but no. So I got one side off. It's a bit of a mess. It helps if I clamp down the board. That's helped. Well, it's sort of on. Let's plug it in. We've got a light. Oh, let's turn the volume up. Oh, wow. No way. No way that's working. I'll clean it up and let's put it together. I'm shocked. I am shocked because a couple of pads were broken, and yeah, I don't know how good it's going to be. But let's put it together and see what happens. Yeah, I lost a couple of pads. Maybe you don't need the pads. So that's the old one taken off, and with a little bit of cleanup, that's the new one on. I still don't believe I even got a scratch out of this. I'll put it together. See you in a minute. Okay, it works. I think that was just a waste of time because it doesn't actually work very well. If the amp is working, but I can't get the so almost. Oh, see, it's not very good, is it? It's really it's maybe the belt. So I think you access the belt from the top, probably. That clip's gone. Not that it's going to be much good anyway. I don't think. Is there a belt? Yeah, we've got a belt. But I got another belt here actually. I think this one's too long though. Yeah, it's too long. I don't know. Rubbish. Let's put some oil on the motor. See if that does anything. Bit of oil on the motor. Don't think we need any oil in there. Terrible, terrible machine. This does look a little bit slack. I don't see much in the way of any records being played on this. I don't think I will be buying another one. Going round at the right speed. All I did was put some oil on and take it off and put it back on again. Wow, that feels heavy as well. Now it's not working. So I think the speed controllers well, I fixed the chip. That was interesting for personal reasons. I won. Me versus the chip won. I got the amp working. I managed to diagnose the amp correctly, but it's a piece of crap. So, yeah, I don't think we'll be donating this. I think we'll just throw it away. See you in the next one, guys.